Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of electronics technology news is drone system for rapid 3D mapping and reconstruction. Leveraging LiDAR light detection and ranging in visual sensors, source security orchestration, automation, and response outperforms current methods by optimizing real-time scene mapping and data collection and has potential applications in urban planning, disaster response, and historic preservation. Researchers from Sun Yat-sen University and the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology have developed source security orchestration, automation, and response, a new system enabling drones to autonomously explore and create 3D reconstructions of real-world environments. This leverages a team of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, equipped with LiDAR light detection and ranging and visual sensors. The system's primary innovation is its ability to combine fast scene exploration with high-quality 3D reconstruction. Source security orchestration, automation, and response employs a heterogeneous fleet of drones. One Explorer drone uses LiDAR light detection and ranging for mapping, while additional photographer drones collect visual data from designated points. These viewpoints are optimized in real time, ensuring efficient coverage of the environment. The researchers implemented several novel algorithms to improve coordination and data collection across the unmanned aerial vehicle UAV team. A key element of the system is its consistent MDMTSP method, which assigns tasks to the photographer drones, ensuring that images are captured in an optimal sequence. This approach reduces redundancy and enhances the overall reconstruction quality. The team's simulations showed that source security orchestration, automation, and response outperformed current state-of-the-art methods in terms of speed and accuracy. The system holds promise for a variety of applications, including urban planning, infrastructure inspection, and even the preservation of historical sites. It could also prove valuable in disaster response scenarios, where rapid assessments are critical. Looking ahead, the researchers aim to transition source security orchestration, automation, and response from simulations to real-world environments, overcoming challenges such as localization errors and communication disruptions. They are also exploring active reconstruction techniques that would allow drones to adjust their strategies based on real-time feedback, further enhancing the system's capabilities. Existing methods for 3D reconstruction often either rely on detailed prior information or explore and reconstruct simultaneously, but with limitations, explained co-author Mingjie Zhang. Source security orchestration, automation, and response bridges this gap by integrating both model-based and model-free approaches, improving both speed and efficiency. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of my electronics technology channel, and for searching my channel please write at the rate electronics technology 50.